highlight for the day. I'm going to keep it simple. There were a few today, but because I got this chart up right now, I'm going to show you the 1, 2, 3, where this line in here is a VWAP, volume weighted average price. Now, I think that's an important line. That's what's on the chart. You could have other lines. You could have other areas. What's important is the word context. Understand if a price goes to a certain area and it bounces from it, like in here, bounced, in here, bounced. Oh, it's going to bounce again. Many novices will think, why is it going to bounce again? Well, because it did here and it did here. The more support works, the less it's going to work. Third time, told people when we were in here, don't think of buying this VWAP. Likelihood of its holding is small. And you don't see it in here, but it broke. Actually, you see it better right in here. It broke a good 5 or 6 points, which is like the entire range from the first couple hours or first hour and a half. It was a tight range in this particular session. So it's like every time you go to an area, most novices will say and then determine it's good support. The more times it tests an area, the less likely it's going to continue to work. A great metaphor story I tell to kind of understand this better. If you have a door that's locked shut and you're ramming your shoulder into it, you might not bust it open, but every time you ram your shoulder into it, it loosens the hinges more and more. And at some point breaks out. And typically what you get are people that do this. They don't buy it there, would have been a winner. They don't buy it there, would have been a winner. They're all set up to buy it here. They get filled and it's a loser. And then they go cry to their mommy. It worked there though, mommy, and it worked there, and it doesn't work here. Well, you got to know if it worked 400 times before you play it the 401st time. Have a safe weekend. Be careful. Subscribe. Notify yourself to these videos that come out almost daily.